What's going on, guys? We're going to get ready for tomorrow. So one of the stocks on my watch list is going to be Amazon. So today, Amazon didn't do too bad, but it didn't do nothing great. What am I trying to say? We closed at $108.92, was up about a 1.5% on the day. One thing that I kind of do want to point out here on Amazon's chart, even though we did get a little bit of a boost, we failed to get over this 10-day moving average, got rejected at the 20, okay? If you guys don't understand technical analysis, join my Discord. Become a member of evolutiontraders.com. I'll teach you guys everything that I know about technical analysis. I'm an options day trader. And I'm not worried about the news. I'm not worried about what the Fed's going to do. I'm not worried about none of that stuff. None of the bear market stuff. We're here to trade long. We're here to trade short. I'm not a bull. I'm not a bear. I'm just here to looking to make some money however we can. So the level that I'm kind of looking at here is the bottom wick little candle close as well as today's low. If we kind of take a look here, correlated 2 days in a row here, held this area. This area that I'm looking at is 106.82. Let me draw a trend line here to kind of point this out for you. Let's keep this area on watch. 106.99, 107, 106.82, somewhere in that vicinity. All you need to do on your charts, look at today's low, look at yesterday's low. If tomorrow we get any sort of open where we're flat, or maybe we push higher off the bell, I'm not going to really get excited about going long. What I want to see is get rejected, or I'm looking for that opening bell flush. So either or can play out, right? If we just start flushing right off the bell and we take out yesterday's low, which is going to be today, and correlating with the previous day, I'm looking to get short right now, and I want to take this for a ride. Now, if we open up flat or we open up green, I want this to kind of do its thing, let it bounce around, let it continue to go higher, whatever it wants to do. Whenever it loses that 107, whenever it loses 106.90, that's when I want to get short. Guys, this is a free play for you guys all. Be patient. Even though we're in a bear market, even though we will get rallies, even though it's a lot harder to trade, even though it is choppy, we can still make money, guys. You need to be a little bit more patient. You need to wait for the bigger trades to kind of set up. This is not a market where you can just kind of buy every single dip and it's going to be up in 2 or 3 days. Stocks are going higher. Next thing you know, an hour later, they're back down. Then they're going lower. You think they're going to go lower. And the next thing you know, everything's just washing out all at once. Kind of pick your spots. Pick 2 to 3 stocks and just watch them consistently. I'll give you a little bit of insight. Some of the stocks that I watch on a day in and day out basis, number 1 being Tesla. Number 2 being NVIDIA, AMD, Apple. All of those stocks are on my watch list. I'm always watching the SPYs. I'm watching SPX, obviously. I'm watching the triple Qs. Sometimes I like to sprinkle in a little Meta. I like to sprinkle in a little Upstart. I like to sprinkle in little Amazon, obviously, so forth and so forth. Hope this video kind of makes sense. Not too much to talk about from a macro perspective. Nothing has changed, guys. We're still in a bear market. Markets are going to continue to sell off. I don't think that we, really start basing out and coming out of this until at least 2023. So we're just going to have to deal with the market the way it is, right? If this is making you scared and this is making you kind of pull your money out because you don't know what to do, learn how to day trade. I cannot stress this enough. It does not matter if the market is going up, down, or even sideways. It doesn't matter. There's areas of opportunity to profit on a day in and day out basis, guys. Put a little cash aside. I'm not saying take your mortgage out and go ahead and YOLO this all on something to the moon. I'm saying learn a technical skill, learn a skill set that you can come into the market with each and every single day and try to generate some cash flow. So that way, if you are holding positions long, you're not just watching them bleed out. You're actually doing something about it. Anyways, guys, leave me a comment, subscribe, throw me a thumbs up. Catch you guys all later.